Hey guys, it's Trippy. Happy Christmas and welcome to the video. I finally managed to get out and film some Christmas lights, but only in two locations. The first is a little village called Angarrack, which Connor put me onto, and the second one, which is kind of famous for its lights, is Mousehole. I didn't take the drone with me just because I've never flown the drone at night and I wasn't sure the layout of the harbour, if there were sort of like wires and cables all over the place, so I only took the camera. And the problem with the camera is because it is just the action camera, it's quite small and the lens doesn't let a lot of light in, so when you're filming at night time, it's quite fuzzy and blurry. But I heard if you turn off the sort of stabilization on the camera, basically when I'm walking around and waddling around like a duck, the stabilization clears it all up and makes it look like I'm walking normally. But that kind of jibs out when you use it at night time because it's got nothing to kind of lock onto. So it looks better at night if you turn that off, but it means when I'm waddling like a duck, it really sort of shows on the camera. So as I've been editing the video now, I've been trying to sort of stabilize it within the editing software. It's looking a little bit better, but I do apologize if the footage is a little bit shaky. I'll do my best to try and fix it. But yeah, hopefully next year I will sort of go around to a few more places. I've just had like one thing after another this year that's kind of like stopped me or this Christmas I should say. That sort of stopped me going to all the places I wanted to for the lights, but I think I say it every year. Next year for definite, but yeah, for definite next year. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video either way. Again, Angarrack, if you're into your Christmas lights and stuff like that, is a really good place to go. However, it was really busy. My plan was to just like park on the nearby industrial estate, and pretty much everyone had the same idea. You'll probably see in the video the amount of people there. It was just kind of chaos. And Mousehole was the same, so if you are going to go, especially quite close to Christmas, we went the night before Christmas Eve, it tends to get a little bit hectic out there, so just as like a fair warning really. But we still enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video, and once again, Happy Christmas, and I'll catch you on the next one. I don't know what it is about neon lights. I think that's what I prefer. It's not Christmas, it's like neon. Like that church up in, what's it called? Like the bright pink, purple light. Might have what? So I eat out all the time now. I go out all the time now.